Have you ever heard of math? Math is made up of numbers, and while that seems like a far-removed concept, we use math almost every week. Math surrounds us, it penetrates us, it binds our galaxy together. And that's why we have to analyze it to death. I'm Asa and get ready to add together science and determination to get the invaluable sum of knowledge with me, right now, on Asa Explains. Math is all around us, no matter what you do to escape it. It follows you no matter where you go, which is why it's important to understand it. So if we look at it objectively, math is actually quite powerful. In fact, many scientists are using this power to fuel robotic mathematicians. But where does this power come from? If you have ever heard of Albert Einstein, I'm sure you know the equation E equals mc squared. In that equation, the M actually stands for math power, with the E and C standing for Croatia and energy respectively. So, from this, we know that math power comes from Croatia divided by energy squared. Easy, right? Good. Now throw everything I just told you away, math is about so much more than just math. Back before the time of recorded history, God, after seeing crabs unable to tell how many rocks they had, took pity on them and created math. This, of course, evolved further into the math that we know today. This primitive system of numbers allowed for the crabs to understand amounts, which led them to advance at a rapid rate. Pretty soon, the crab economy flourished. Crabs were trading 10 bugs for just 3 rocks, and crab governments were formed and collected rock taxes from the crab peoples. This process, now known as biology uprising, sparked the societal construct you might have heard of, known as capitalism. Neat, huh? Now, some of you may have heard about the crossover between math and language, known as higher maths, such as algebra or calculus. Well, forget about that. We're here in sunny Burbank, California, with expert mathematician Mark Lemonster. How's it going, Mark? Well, it could be better. Great. Well, Matt, I believe you have a little experiment to show us today. Indeed I do. Please direct your attention to the table. As you can tell, I have 3 rocks in 2 separate piles. Watch closely as it's about to get a little wild. As I move these piles together, how many rocks do I have now? That's right, 6. This proves that math has real-world applications. Incredible. Thank you for meeting up with us today, Mike. No problem. This has been Asa. Back to you, Asa. Thank you, Asa. Now, we need to talk about one more thing about math. How it's taught in the public education system. When math first went from math to meth, it was quite powerful. Way more powerful than it is now. To help control it, Dr. Mr. Education worked with a witch to help seal math away. As a team, the two were able to put math inside of books. But the spell only works if people don't forget about math's power. If people get too complacent with math and forget its value, it's able to escape. And that's why students learn from these math books, textbooks, to keep math sealed away forever. Math has a storied history and can do so many things. From recommissioning missiles buried deep underground to melting the ice caps, we're lucky that math can't escape anymore. But if you're ever sad that we won't get to see a day where math rules over us humans like the pitiful rats we are, you can just remember what Milk said earlier today. Please direct your attention to the table. Inspiring. Thank you for watching Asa Explains. If you have any topics that you'd like me to cover in a future video, or you just want to say hi, feel free to send me an email at obrotheromine@gmail.com. As always, thanks for watching. I'm a mustache man with a mustache plan to do. Oh.